Like, I missed out on that whole era. All right. Okay, so I probably should have started filming before I started the look, but here's where we're at. I've already done my makeup. I'm just gonna fix my brows and finish off the eye. Today I am using the Urban Decay Naked Eyeshadow Palette. I've literally only used 2 shades so far. I started off with my MAC paint pot, and then I used this shade right here all over this portion of the lid. I kind of left the inner part light like I do, and then I blended out the top edge with this shade right here. That's all I've done so far. I'm not finished, but I'm gonna do my brows real fast because I filled them in, but I haven't like glued them down. I don't plan on filming every single work makeup look, but while I am currently trying to get into the groove of getting like some video clips or something of the eye looks for my new palettes I wore all week series, I wanted to just kind of get into the habit of remembering to get some footage of each look. So yeah, probably won't use every palette in a video, but I'm gonna try to like film a lot still, even though I'm working. Okay, we're gonna let that dry. Okay, I've got a little clean makeup eraser, and I'm just cleaning this off to make sure I don't have anything else from like yesterday when I blended out with it. I'm gonna just kind of like soften up this top edge a little bit. Urban Decay is really good about their tones in the neutral colors as well. I really, really love the Urban Decay Naked palettes. I know a lot of people talk trash about Urban Decay, and maybe that's because they fell in love with the brand like before I did. I didn't even know about Urban Decay back when they were doing like the really cool, colorful stuff that apparently a lot of people love them for. Like, I missed out on that whole era. So, like, I found out about Urban Decay at the Naked 3 palette. So I've loved the Naked palettes ever since. And yeah, as a matter of fact, I've been thinking about using my Naked 3. It's been in the back of my mind and I miss it. So I'll probably be using that palette next week for work at some point. I can't wait. Oh yeah, did I show you? I'm just using that same darker tone of the 2 mattes, the one that I put on the lid, and I'm just using that to create a little bit of lower lash line smoky moment. Okay. And then I'm going to use my Rose and Ben E27 with nothing on it just to soften that up. All right. I know that's not much to it, but that's the eye look for the day. I'm not going to use any shimmer or anything. Should I use a little shimmer? Yeah. I'm going to use a little bit of shimmer. Okay, so I'm going to use this little pinky shimmer down here. I'm not sure I've ever used that shade before because it looked pretty untouched. I'm gonna just pop that here on the inner part. I really want the rest to be matte. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. I don't think I have used that before. If I did, I don't remember it. Yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, that's the eye look. I'm gonna just take the blender and just soften all that up a little bit, not too much. I don't wanna over blend it, but I just wanna soften up the lines between one color to the next. I am gonna go ahead and use the Tarte Fake Awake today. got a little bit too low. Okay. I'm also going to use my Natasha Denona taupe eyeliner. I literally bought that little baby, I think it was the baby I Need a Nude or something like that. Literally for this, like that little limited edition Natasha Denona baby trio kit that came out last year. I literally bought it just, or maybe it was earlier this year. No, it was last year. I literally bought it just for this eyeliner. Well, I mean, I like the little baby trio too, but I was like, I already have all three of those shades. So really what I'm after is the eyeliner. Otherwise, I would have just been buying the little trio for the convenience of the size of that palette. I got a little bit of fallout, which isn't ideal. Forgot to tap off the brush is why. Thankfully, I have a bunch of freckles there, and so it plays off. All right, curl my lashes. Okay, I completely forgot I was recording. I'm sorry. I got all caught up in thoughts in my mind and I was thinking about things while I was perfecting my lash look. So I was planning on wearing my hair like in the pony because this is the color of my boots that I'm wearing today, and it also pulls in the color, like some of the colors that are in my skirt, as you can see. There. This doesn't stay back. Maybe I can pin it with a clip. Maybe, we'll see. Anyway. All right, I need to go find the rest of my rings and my earrings and get my, yeah, I don't like this like this. It looks cute from the front, but it's not like user friendly. So I'm just gonna keep it with a pony. A low pulled back pony. There. There's my look of the day. Let's see what lip I'm going to use today. I'm going to use this color. Let's see what it says. I hope you were able to tell the color. Okay. So here's the look of the day. Maybe I should pull my hair down just for the thumbnail. Way too much body in one little spot. Hold on. Still struggling to try to get a decent photo. It's It's because I have flat head. I had it pulled too tight to be able to pull it down right now and have it photograph. Okay. There on my lips. There we go. All right. There's my lip of the day. It's time for me to head out. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And thanks so much for hanging out with me while I just pulled my quick little eye look together. Thanks so much. Wait, if you enjoyed today's quick little video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does. Please give if you enjoyed today's quick little video, please give it a like. It really does help my small channel out so much. Also, before you leave, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel before you go if you'd like to see more content from me in your feed, because I upload content all week long, and I would love to see you here in my next one. Bye. And I would love to see you here in my next video. Bye.